I have a vegan chicken salad sandwich on a croissant with vegan cheese, and it has chickpeas, red onions, and hearts of palms. And now I'm gonna close it and I'm going to taste it.
Oh, see, yum, 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 yum.
Now what you got?
I have a chick, the same thing Kim had. And it's very, very good. I remember no chicken, it's fake chicken. It's very, very good.
Okay, what you got over here?
Okay, I have vegan chicken sandwich on croissant, and it's filled with red onions, bell peppers, chickpeas. I forget the other stuff.
And how does it taste?
Let me taste it. As long as it doesn't touch my green fingernails, I'll be okay.
Okay. Now,
Delicious.
now look at this, ma'am. What you got going on over
I
here?
have this chicken, vegan chicken sandwich, and there's all sorts of good stuff in here. And I just can't stop tasting beautiful. It's awesome. Everyone should have some of it, but I'll have to try it again before I can tell you what it's all about. If
Okay.
it's good or not.
Okay. All right.
But I think it is.
All right. We'll see what you got over here,
Yes,
young
I
man.
got vegan chicken.
Maybe.
Onions, chickpeas, the one that I like, and some mayonnaise. But everything in the sandwich is vegan.
Okay.
I'm gonna try it now. Oh, it's delicious. It's delicious. And I'm gonna get, when I leave out of here, I'm gonna get this recipe.
Okay. All right, young lady. What you got over
All
here?
right, well, I have chicken on a toasted croissant, lots and lots of cheese, lots and lots of onions, red bell peppers and green bell peppers, chickpeas, Dijon mustard, vegan, mayo,
Okay.
good seasoning,
Who's your seasoning by?
Tabitha Brown.
Tabitha Brown. And now I'm going to taste it.
How is it?
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.